No matter how fast time passes by, there are some works of man that will stand tall. Different, impressive, and inspired. They are made of steel. They are made in Sofman. In 2000, Sofman SA and Messina Team SA joined forces, thus merging more than 40 years of experience in steel construction, and created Sofman SA, one of the leading firms in the steel and mechanical structures industry. In our fabrication plants at Attica and Corinth, that cover an area of 8,000 square meters, we established high-tech electromechanical equipment, information systems for the 3D modeling of our structures, and for controlling the flow of information, reassuring always the highest quality of products and services to the industry. Since then, Sofman has created steel structures that are different and that stand the test of time. The projects that gave us the power to be one of the most reliable constructing firms in Europe and in Africa are heavy industrial constructions. From design to production, and from transportation to installation and mechanical erection. Our passion for steel structures and our continuous quest for new production technology result in top-end products and services all over the world. Sofman, innovative steel.